Hi, this is Wilna and welcome to our little painting class. I've done a lot of classes and this one is a little different because I really want to be personally involved in your painting. And this video that I'm releasing a few days before the class is so that you can get a head start and just make sure that you have everything. We will do all these steps in the class as well. But if you can get your canvases primed, like I'm doing here with gesso, and get your tracing done, we can actually focus more on painting and the techniques involved that I really want to teach you. So you just need a little bit of gesso. The amount of gesso, if you got a kit, is enough for 2 canvases. And you just want to pour it out and spread it around with a damp brush. I always prime my canvases because it just provides a little bit of a barrier between the canvas and the medium, but also it stretches out the canvas. The chalk in the gesso just stretches it out a little bit more. So this is very simple. Get it done and it takes very quick to dry. It just needs one little layer. That's enough. Then secondly, we are going to do the tracing of our images. So what you need is carbon paper, like you can see there, and then a 11 by 17 print of the flowers, and you can download that all. I will send you the links, and then you can just trace it. So what I do is I use a little bit of sellotape and I just tape the bottom of my image, and then with a sharp pencil I just trace it. You can actually use the back of a paintbrush as well, but I like to use the pencil because then I can actually see where I've traced already. Make sure that your flower image that you are tracing from is adhered to your canvas securely, because you will be lifting it up to see how your tracing is doing. You want to move your graphite paper around because it doesn't cover the whole canvas, and that way at least you won't lose your spot. If it moves, you're going to have trouble, lining it up again. Trust me. Just trust me on this. So there you can see I'm just checking if it's working, and it's working. The black part of the graphite carbon paper needs to face the canvas, and that's how you do it. Now you just have to relax your shoulders and your mind and just do the tracing. It's a little bit of a mindless job, but you know what? Think of it as a little meditation, and then you'll enjoy it. So I'll play you music and show you my process. Just watch it and then do it for your own canvas. So if you can get this done before we start our class, you get bonus points. If you don't have time, no worries. We'll have time in the class to get it done as well.
I thought we could both use some change, a newer perspective to see how life looked in a different lane. But here in your arms I can't leave now, 'cause I don't wanna let go of this. Got lost somewhere along the way, chasing the grass that looked greener, lost sight of my reason to stay. But one look from you draws me nearer, so I don't wanna let go. Love has a funny way of growing, for those that don't mind slowing down. Time is as fleeting as the sunset, hiding in the evening clouds. So live with me here in this moment now. I've started to notice a change, and every morning I see you, lovely in all kinds of ways. I can't express what it means to me when I come home to this. Love has a funny way of has a funny way of growing for those that don't mind slowing down. Time is as fleeting as a sunset, hiding in the evening clouds. So live with me here in this moment now. Can we live right here in this moment now?
This song is called In This Moment by Joshua Nichols, and I don't know if you can download it online. I bought it for video creation, so I'm not sure where you can get it, but it's lovely, hey? Okay, in total, I think it took me 20 minutes to trace both of my painting images, and so it's fairly quickly. And listen, it doesn't have to be perfect. Don't spend hours and hours on this. If you spend more than half an hour on both, it's too much time. You just need a quick drawing just to guide your hand when we do the paint tracing or paint image. So please don't spend too much time on it. And I'll see you in class. Bye.